How successful do you think this lockdown will be?
And we don't know for sure, but certainly we'd expect it to do a great deal, and at least flatten the rate, if not actually see it drop massively. Whether we might need another one, I think is just really difficult to tell. It's a very difficult balance at the moment between the restrictions that we've got to cope with and keeping those levels of COVID down. But there's no reason not to be really optimistic.
We have had rising cases in Plymouth now for a couple of weeks. Do you know what might have caused that?
What we know is that the infection spreads very easily, particularly when there's just quite a high density of people. So cities are worse affected than rural areas. Rates have gone up in the same way as they have, not just across the country, but also across Europe, really. If you look across the sea, it is really difficult to contain it. And part of that is because people will be transmitting the infection before they get symptoms. And of course, some people don't even go on to get symptoms. And one of the things that we know is really important is self-isolating if you're a contact. And I think that's really difficult for lots of people. And we need to understand more about how we help people to do that, I think. It's really, really important that people do comply with the rules, because the more we comply with them in this period, the lower we can get rates down, and then we can hopefully start to get back to a little bit more of normal life. And I think everybody wants to get back to a semblance of normal life over Christmas.